Good morning children. Welcome to the English class. In a previous class we discussed about the lesson Who did Patrick's homework. So now I would like to read another part of the lesson. Listen carefully. Paragraph number 5th. And true to his word, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I don't know this word, the help squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it is a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nap. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. So Patrick promised that he take a promise from a small sized man. Instead, he saved him from the cat. At a sudden, to save the life, the tinny man was accept the condition of Patrick, that was, he had to do his homework until the end of the semester. So the little man began to help Patrick in his homework. For him, there was a one problem, that he didn't know anything about history and maths. He wanted the help of the Patrick for these subjects. The elf said, give me a dictionary and spell and the each word to Patrick to understand the subject. So in a math subject, the little man never know the history of a maths, that is addition, subtraction, division. So he asked Patrick to go to library and bring some books to him, and then he asked to read loud to Patrick. This way they will help him to complete your work. So every day help was nap. It means he always gives trouble to Patrick to do something for him to complete the homework. So Patrick was become a hard worker. He was reading the books in a night time to help more to the tinny man. So he never felt tired to go to school with his blurred eyes because of his lack of sleep in a night time. So this was the lesson of your day. Write today's lesson and answer to the question in your homework book. The questions are: first question, which games are played by Patrick instead of doing homework? Once again I repeat you, which games are played by Patrick instead of doing homework? Second question, what did Patrick think this what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? It is really. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? Question mark. It is really. Third question. Why did the little man grant Patrick wish? Why did the little man grant Patrick wish? Next question. What was Patrick wish? What was Patrick wish? So you have to write answer for these 4 questions in a once time. Okay. Thank you, children.